State Governor Aiyedatiwa, who is live for us on the program. Thank you so much, Your Excellency, for joining us tonight.
Thank you, Shil, for having me.
Thank you so much indeed. You were deputy governor when this happened. Your principal, he hails from Owo. Just 7 or so minutes from his house in Owo is where the Catholic Church, the St. Francis Catholic Church, is located. And these happened, the people, not only of Owo, Ondo State, Southwest Nigeria, Nigerian people were thrown into mourning. But 4 years later, justice has been served. Governor Aiyedatiwa, how does the people of Ondo State receive this judgment of today?
Thank you, Shil. It was really a sad day, a dark Sunday, on the 5th of June 2022, when unsuspected worshippers at St. Francis Catholic Church, Owo, just behind the palace of the Olowo of Owo, were attacked, explosive thrown into the church, and over about 40 people died and several scores of people got injured. And it was a sad day for us, really. I was in Akure, but on that day, my principal, the then governor, may so rest in peace, was actually in Abuja, towards the preparation for our party's Congress at the time, APC's. So he has to leave Abuja, even though he was saddled with responsibility regarding the political activity at the time in Abuja, as the chairman of the Committee on Security and I think Engagement. I can't remember for sure right now. As the chairman of that committee, he has to leave Abuja that same day and flew into Akure, then straight to Owo. Yes, 4 years ago, this happened. It was a sad day for all of us, and yes, some kind of, the security agencies responded as swift as they could at the time. No immediate arrest was made because the moment that heinous attack was carried out, they left immediately. But some kind of traces and intelligence were gathered at that time, and which led to some arrest immediately by Amotekun, and later the police and the DSS. Everybody, they were all working together. And at the end of the day, some suspects were arrested, and they have been in the custody since then while further investigation continues. And this year, we see what has happened 4 years after thorough investigations by the investigators, and we have seen the diligence prosecuting team, what they have been able to do, and today judgment have been served, and these people have been sentenced to death by hanging. For us in Ondo State, we are happy that this judgment is victory for justice, for rule of law, and for all the victims of those that were attacked, not just in Ondo State, but all the victims that have been attacked at one time or the other by these terrorists. So it's a victory for us, and we want to use the opportunity to appreciate all the people that were involved, the security agencies, the judiciary, for their courage in prosecution. We want to thank even the media, and of course the people of Ondo State for our resilience, especially the people of Owo. They never stopped worshiping. The church has since been opened for worship, and people are moving around, going about their businesses. For us, since then, we want to thank God that any other attack of such has happened in Ondo State, because that has also helped us to be more vigilant and to be more resilient, and then engaging more with our security agencies and encourage them to collaborate, to work together so that such attack will never happen again in Ondo State. For us in Ondo State, we're happy, and we thank all the people that are involved in this in the investigation and in prosecution, and even Mr. President for the boldness and the political will, in backing the security agencies in going ahead to engage more fiercely at this time, dealing with bandits and terrorism in our country.